I know, Riley, she's like so gross. Like, oh, hey guys, welcome to the third hour biology nature center field trip. So, should we get right into it? Yeah, I think so too. So, hi, welcome to the wetlands. Right now we are with part of the small animals group. We have Savannah. Claire, I'm Ava. Here with us, and I'm gonna interview them. Have you guys found anything interesting yet?
I found a bottle in the water. No, we saw a frog.
Oh my god!
I saw a lot of like little green.
Guys, where do you want me to get the slimy water sample from?
Who is your least favorite in the group? You can be honest.
My calves in mud.
Perfect. At least we all agree. Anything interesting that you'd like to add? Yeah, Jay! Welcome back! So I am here with
Zane
from the
chemistry group.
Yeah, and I'm gonna interview him. So this is a stream that we were supposed to look at. It's just water. So have you guys found any interesting data over at the chemistry group?
Not exactly. At the moment, we're in the process of finding out the pH and the nitrate levels in the shallow water.
Well, that sounds pretty interesting to me.
It's very interesting.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No.
Who's your least favorite in the group? You can be honest. So we're back with Wreck Life. Lane and Cademan are in the water right now. How's it going, guys?
It's going alright.
How's the water? Is it cold or warm?
It's chilly, but like I think if the waiters help. Yeah.
Is there any challenges finding organic nuts out of this body of water?
Not falling in. Yeah, that's a huge
Probably
thing.
the biggest challenge.
I tripped over a log and I like wrecked my jacket. Yeah. So it'll be fine though. It'll wash out.
There are very many different like things. Yeah, there are hidden things in the mud, and it's not like when you step in, you just kind of sink into the sand instead of just kind of staying on top of it.
That and he found a leech, so there's that.
I have a personal question for both of you.
Yeah.
Who's your least favorite person in the group? You can
That thing, that leech thing, whatever that thing's called.
Crayfish.
Crayfish. And then Maddie got that.
The catfish.
How did you find these?
Sweeping under the sky.
Okay,
On that
cool.
side.
What'd you have for breakfast?
A banana muffin.
Alright,
Banana chocolate chip muffin.
Okay.
We're live.
Alright, so Cal, what did you find?
We found a dead catfish, which is pretty cool.
Yes, you want to see?
And we found that it's actually not that deep to get to the island.
Really?
You only got about here, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Kyle and I trekked all the way to the far side of the island and back. You know, it's
Light work?
It's like
light work.
Yeah.
deep, and then it goes like super shallow, and then a little bit deeper.
Zachariah, how do you feel about this trip?
I mean, it's fine, I guess.
Yeah. Alright. So, what are you guys having for lunch today?
Oh, Fabulous Caesars.
Alright, I like that. Kyle?
Following from home.
Alright. I like that. I like Subway. Alright, we're through.
Right now I'm with the Mr. Ella Rock. How do you feel about your third hour biology class?
So far, they're very good. No one's really fallen in yet, at least for my class.
Okay, other than Riley and I, who are your favorites in the class?
Ooh, my favorites? I don't have true favorites, but if I compare two people like Sydney Miller and Maddie Scott, like Maddie Scott's here, Sydney Miller, but I don't have overall favorites, I'd say.
We're with Maddie Scott, and what just happened to you?
Sydney Miller pushed me in the water.
You know, why did you do that? Were you having a feud? Was it cold?
Yeah.
How do you feel now about Sydney Miller?
I'm gonna get her back.
Oh, okay.
I'm Braden Laverty from News Group.
And I'm Paige Glenn from Plants.
How was your day, McDonald's? What have you seen in
just a lot of small plants and lily pads. We found some snails.
Is your job easier or harder?
It's been pretty fun.
Okay, so the weather today, 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Very cloudy. Was raining, and the water is like very warm. So yeah.
Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop.
Pastor's trying to push me into the lake, water pond.
Being really interrupted.
I wish that we were just at school in the warmth. I caught babies.
It's cold and it was raining, and a lot of the groups are working pretty good, and they're all being really silly. And then there's our group. I mean, there's two of us.
From plants.
Woo! Funny. Can't wait to find one out. Shut up. Okay. No! My grades in math.